In today's video, we will learn how to make a Da Vinci bridge using wooden sticks. First, let's take a look at what a Da Vinci bridge is. Da Vinci Bridge is a beautiful self-supporting bridge structure that can be constructed using only interlocking wooden beams, without any nails, ropes or fasteners. It is named after Leonardo da Vinci, who first designed it. Let's try to build it. Another defining feature of the bridge is that the more weight you put onto the bridge, the more stable it becomes. This is because the self-supporting design causes the load to tighten the interlocking beams.